Intense 5, turn up tonight. What we got?
Number 5.
Trump orders airstrikes in Syria after that horrible attack earlier this week that killed over 80 people, including children. So sad.
Number 4.
Pepsi pulled its ad featuring Kendall Jenner after facing huge backlash from the civil rights community.
Number 3.
Alkaline met with the mayor of Kingston recently to discuss the way forward with entertainment in Kingston. Now, the picture that was released was a bit odd because it was taken in a bedroom, but to clear the air, it was on a set of a video shoot for Alkaline.
Number 2.
Corned beef is back. The ban has been lifted. Will you eat it? No, thank you. How about you? Our trainer would have to say otherwise.
And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week, the clash in Parliament over the independence celebrations. Accusations were thrown, there was a retaliation. Ladies, let's just get along. We've been down this road before. Isa. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to be a fan on Facebook at facebook.com/TVJIntense.
And we're on the gram at TBJ Intense. Up next, Bling Dog talks motion and fitness. Intense soon forward.